Hello, today I'm going to show how to install KDE NEON. Start the installer by clicking on the Install System icon on the desktop. Select your language and press Next. Select your time zone on the map and press Next. Select your keyboard layout and press Next. Select where you want to install KDE NEON and if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points. Create a user, set your host name, set your password and press Next to start the installation. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.